Hello students, in biobotany, fourth lesson, principles and process of biotechnology. In this, component host transformation with recombinant DNA. Many types of host cells are available for gene cloning, which include E. coli, yeast, animal or plant cell. E. coli is the most widely used organism. E. coli divide in every 20 minutes. To take up DNA and treating them with a specific concentration of a divalent cation such as calcium, recombinant DNA can then be forced into such cells by incubating the cells with recombinant DNA on ice, followed by placing them briefly at 42 degrees Celsius and then putting them back on ice. This enables bacteria to take up the recombinant DNA. To produce a functionally active protein, it should fold properly, and post-translational modification should also occur, which is not possible by prokaryotic cells. It takes place only in eukaryotic cells. Methods of gene transfer. There are two kinds of gene transfer method: direct or vectorless gene transfer, indirect or vector mediated gene transfer. Direct or vectorless gene transfer. It is chemical mediated gene transfer, microinjection, electroporation method of gene transfer, liposome mediated method of gene transfer, biolistic method. Chemical mediated gene transfer. In this, certain chemicals like polyethylene glycol and dextrane sulfate induce DNA uptake into plant protoplast. Microinjection. In this method, the DNA is directly injected into the nucleus using fine tipped glass needle or micropipette to transform plant cell. Electroporation method of gene transfer. A pulse of high voltage is applied to protoplast cell or tissue, which make transient pores in the plasma membrane through which uptake of foreign DNA occur. Liposome mediated method of gene transfer. Liposomes, the artificial phospholipid vesicles, are useful in gene transfer. The gene or DNA is transferred from liposome into vacuole of plant cells. In this method, advantageous because the liposome protects the introduced DNA from being damaged by the acidic pH and proteins enzymes present in the vacuoles. Liposomes and tonoplast of vacuole fusion resulted in gene transfer. This process is called liposuction. Biolistics. The foreign DNA is coated onto the surface of minute gold or tungsten particle 1 to 3 millimicron and bombarded onto the target tissue or cells using a particle gun, also called as gene gun or micro projectile gun or shotgun. Then the bombarded cells or tissues are cultured on selected medium to regenerate plants from the transformed cells. Indirect or vector mediated gene transfer. Gene transfer is mediated with the help of a plasmid vector is known as indirect or vector mediated gene transfer. The TI plasmid from Agrobacterium tumefaciens has been used. This bacterium has a large size plasmid known as TI plasmid tumor inducing, and a portion of it referred as tDNA transfer DNA is transferred to plant genome in the infected cell and cause plant tumor. Crohn-Gall, it's a disease name. Since the bacterium has the natural ability to transfer tDNA region of its plasmid into plant genome upon infection of cells at the wound site. It is also known as the natural genetic engineer of plants. Screening of recombinants. After the introduction of recombinant DNA into a suitable host cell, it is essential to identify those cells which have received the recombinant DNA molecule. This process is called screening. Screening for methods are used: white selection method, blue-white selection method, insertional inactivation, blue-white colony selection method. A reporter gene LAC-Z is inserted in the vector. The LAC-Z encodes the enzyme beta-galactosidase and contains several recognition sites for restriction enzyme. Beta-galactosidase breaks a synthetic substrate called X-Gal, that is 5-bromo-4-chloro-indole beta-D galactopyridoside. If a foreign gene is inserted into LAC-Z, this gene will be inactivated. Therefore, no blue color will develop. Only it develops a white color because beta-galactosidase is not synthesized due to inactivation of LAC-Z. Therefore, the host cell containing recombinant DNA form white colored colonies on the medium contained X-Gal, whereas the other cells containing non-recombinant DNA will develop the blue colored colonies. Another method is antibiotic resistant markers. An antibiotic resistance marker is a gene that produces a protein that provides cells with resistance to an antibiotics. Bacteria with transformed DNA can be identified by growing on a medium containing an antibiotic. Antibiotics such as ampicillin, chloramphenicol, tetracycline or kanamycin, etc. Replica plating technique, it's another method, a technique in which the pattern of colony growing on a culture plate is copy. A sterile filter plate is pressed against the culture plate and then lifted. Then the filter is pressed against a second sterile culture plate. This results in the new plate being infected with cell in the same relative position as the colonies in the original plate. The medium used in the second plate will differ from that used in the first. It may include an antibiotic or without a growth factor. In this way, transformed cell can be selected. Molecular techniques, isolation of genetic material and gel electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is used to separate different biomolecules with positive and negative charges. Principle: by applying electricity, the molecules migrate according to the type of charges they have. Agarose gel electrophoresis. It is used mainly for the purification of specific DNA segments. Agarose is separating DNA fragments ranging in the size from a few hundred to about 20,000 base pairs. Polyacrylamide is preferred for the purification of smaller DNA fragments. The gel is complex network of polymeric molecules. DNA molecule is negatively charged molecule. Under an electric field, DNA molecule migrate through the gel. The electrophoresis is frequently performed with marker DNA fragment of known size, which allow accurate size determination of an unknown DNA molecule by interpolation. The advantage of agarose gel electrophoresis are that the DNA bands can be readily detected at a high sensitivity. The band of DNA in the gel are stained with a dye, ethidium bromide, and DNA can be detected as visible fluorescence illuminated in UV light will give orange fluorescence, which can be photographed. Agriculture diagnostic refer to a variety of tests that are used for detecting of pathogens in plant tissues. There are two methods, ELISA and DNA probe. ELISA, enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. ELISA is a diagnostic tool for identification of pathogen species by using antibiotics and diagnostic agents. And DNA probe, it's an isotopic and non-isotopic. There may be northern and southern blotting or popular tool for identification of viruses and other pathogens. Nucleic acid hybridization blotting technique. Blotting refers to the process of immobilization of sample nucleic acid or solid support, nitrocellulose or nylon membrane. Types of blotting technique: northern blotting, southern blotting, western blotting. Southern blotting, the transfer of DNA from agarose gel to nitrocellulose membrane. Northern blotting, the transfer of RNA to nitrocellulose membrane. Western blotting, electrophoretic transfer of protein to nitrocellulose membrane. Southern blotting technique, DNA. The transfer of denatured DNA from agarose gel to nitrocellulose blotting or filter paper technique was introduced by Southern in 1975, and this technique is called Southern blotting technique. Steps to transfer that DNA. The transfer of DNA from agarose gel to nitrocellulose filter paper is achieved by capillary action. A buffer sodium saline citrate is used in which DNA is highly soluble. It can be drawn up through the gel into the nitrocellulose membrane. By this process, a sodium saline single-stranded DNA becomes trapped in the membrane matrix. This DNA is hybridized with a nucleic acid and can be detected by autoradiography. Autoradiography means a technique that captures the image formed in a photographic emulsion due to emission of light or radioactivity from a labeled component placed together with an exposed film. Northern blot. It was found that RNA is not binding to cellulose nitrate. RNA bound or transferred from agarose gel into nitrocellulose filter paper. This transfer of RNA from gel to special filter paper is called Northern blot hybridization. The filter paper used for Northern blot is amino-benzyloxymethyl paper, which can be prepared from Whatman 540 paper. Western blot, a transfer of protein to blotting paper. Nitrocellulose filter paper can be used for Western blot technique. A particular protein is then identified by probing the blot with a radio-labeled antibody which bind on the specific protein to which the antibody was prepared. Differences between blotting technique. Southern blotting, Northern blotting, Western blotting. Separation of Southern blotting, it separates DNA. Southern blot separates DNA. Northern blotting, RNA may separate, and in Western blotting it separates protein. In Southern blotting, denaturation need, and in Northern blotting it do not need, that is denaturation. In Western blotting it need denaturation. Denaturation means that the DNA is separated, and in Southern blotting nitrocellulose or nylon membrane is used for transfer, and in Northern blotting amino-benzoxymethyl is used, and in Western blotting nitrocellulose membrane is used. In Southern blotting, hybridization between DNA to DNA. In Northern blotting, RNA to DNA, and in Western blotting, protein to antibody. And Southern blotting visualized through autoradiography. Northern blot can also visualized through autoradiography, and in Western blotting visualized